Welcome back to another Motel Coach training video. Today, we're going to be diving into GuestPoint property management system, and we're going to show you how to create a company debtor account. Why do we want to set up a company debtor account? A company debtor account allows a guest to send their room account to a company. And before all of this happens, we would set the payment term. So it might be a 14-day cycle or it might be a 7-day cycle. It's up to the motel and the company to work out that agreement. So for this video today, on the right side, I've got a request from Rivergate Logistics Group. And on the left, I've got GuestPoint Property Management System open. So we can go through their request as I'm putting everything into GuestPoint. To create a company account in GuestPoint, we can do it in one of two ways. When we create a reservation, if we add a company name, it will automatically create a company account. We then just need to set up that company account so that it allows debtor invoicing. So let's go through that process first. So we right click, new reservation as normal. We're going to enter all of the normal reservation information. We're going to create the Rivergate Logistics Group. So we're going to copy and paste that one and we'll give it a few seconds. GuestPoint will check if that company has previously stayed. So it's not coming up. We're going to select that. And once we save this reservation down, we're then going to enter into this company's profile and we're going to edit it to allow debtor invoicing. So let's create a quick mock reservation. We'll do it for the operations coordinator at this point. Going to go back into contact details and we're going to edit that company profile, and we just need to click allow debtor invoicing. Once we click that button, we can then send room charges for this booking to that company. So if I was to check this room in, as soon as I'm checking it in, the room charges are getting posted for the first night. Because he's only staying one night, I could then send that one to the debtor account, and you'll see Rivergate Logistics is set up there. The second way we can create the company account is by going to Customers, Companies, Create Company, and we can do it in here. So again, if we followed the same process, Rivergate Logistics Group, and we're going to allow debtor invoices. It's as simple as that in terms of creating the company profile. Once you have this company profile created, it allows you to track the amount of revenue this company is generating. So if in the next financial year, they've generated $100,000 in room revenue, it gives us some decision making around the rates that we might offer them. Once you get into setting up corporate rates, we can then put notes in here as well. So the Rivergate Logistics Group, we might offer them $15 off per night. So we could put that into our special arrangements section. In our next video, we're actually going to show you how to connect a special rate. So if we were to offer $15 off per night on Queen Rooms for every booking that Rivergate Logistics makes, I'll show you how to connect that to Rivergate Logistics so that it automatically comes up when a reservation's created. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our videos. If you're looking to get into motel management or increase your skills, check out the links in the description for motel management and guest property management system training.